Welcome to This Is My Architecture. Today I'm joined by Ian from Eseye. Welcome, Ian.
Thank you.
What do Eseye do?
Eseye deliver global connectivity for IoT.
Fantastic. Now, you guys have solved a really interesting problem because traditionally with IoT, someone has to go out and put keys on devices, get things set up, climb up a windmill in the rain. You don't know who's got custody of things. It's maybe on a laptop, written on a Post-it note. How have you solved that?
And got to be delivered back into the enterprise.
Exactly.
So you know which device is which. Exactly, that is the big challenge that we're solving here. So rather than starting at the device end, what we're doing is starting at the IoT service piece. So when a thing is created on the IoT service, what we're doing here is triggering on CloudWatch a set of Lambda functions, and that in turn creates the policy and the certificate for the device.
So all the secure material, the identification, etc.
Exactly. And that in turn is then delivered to Eseye as the cellular service provider, and we will then provision the subscription plan, networking connectivity of the device coming back into the Amazon service. But more importantly, also that security material is now delivered over air into the SIM card that is in the cellular device. This means that the application that's running inside our windmill in this example can then instantiate an MQTT connection back into your IoT service for ingestion, secure ingestion of the application data back in to the relevant VPC Amazon cloud.
So the person who, or if we consider in the past was climbing up the windmill, is actually now the person sitting there putting the identification material just into the terminal.
Exactly.
That triggers off this entire process where, because you know the location of the SIM card, you can securely load it with the secure information. It then is speaking securely back.
So you're now dealing with the security of your IoT service from the console inside your Amazon service at this point. And that also is important because you're not only managing it at installation, but obviously you're also going to be managing it throughout the life cycle of the product. So if this product, if there's a security threat, you might choose to revoke or replace the certificate. Again, you can do it from the console and deliver it in exactly the same mechanism. Or if there's a change of ownership, say this windmill's been sold to somebody else, then obviously potentially you want the data to go to a different place, and the ability to then re-provision that all the way through the cycle without having to visit the site. You can start getting that data securely into another place.
So no one's climbing up windmills in the rain anymore.
Exactly.
We've created a circle of life for IoT.
That's the one.
It's a beautiful thing. Thank you, Ian.
My pleasure. Thank you.
And thanks for watching This Is My Architecture.